Mental Warriors. Welcome back to Mentally Sound Journey, where we are forgiving ourselves, rebuilding self-trust. One of the hardest parts of forgiving yourself after a narcissist is learning to trust yourself again. You might ask, how did I miss the lies? How did I stay so long? Can I trust myself to make better choices now? Yes, you can. Because it's normal to question your judgment after abuse. But forgiveness means reminding yourself that you were not broken. You were manipulated. That's a big difference. You can't blame yourself for believing someone who was committed to deceiving you. But here's the good news. You're not the same person anymore. Every boundary you set, every red flag that you recognize, every decision you make now is building your self-trust again. Forgiving yourself means saying, I trust me. I trust my healing. I trust that the lessons I've learned will guide me forward. So today, Mental Warriors, place your hand on your heart and remind yourself, I forgive myself for doubting me. I am rebuilding my trust, one choice at a time. Self-forgiveness and self-trust go hand in hand, and every step forward proves that you can count on you. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Share this content with someone that can use it. Comment in the comment box. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.